Shadows, I've got a new toy. Actually, it's not a toy. You'll see what it is once I open it. It's a... Put this down. It's a desktop stand. It's basically this to put your monitor on top. But I didn't buy this for my monitor. I actually bought this to eat on. You know how some YouTubers have that extra table on top of their table and they put their food on it? Well, I don't have one of those. And I wanted to get it in a color which is as vibrant as my bedroom walls. The brand is called Lihit Lab. Lihit. Anyway, it's a Japanese brand. Just have to put everything together. So this is the color I bought. They don't have a yellow one, but I thought the green one was close enough. I'll just try to follow the diagrams. Damn it! Careful. My friend just got it and I'm already smacking it everywhere. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You gave me a spare? Okay. I put this here. Oh, that's pretty basic. I guess you don't really need the instructions if you know what you're doing. Put that one in here. That's one side done. Now this side. I finally have my little mukbang table. Anyway, that's that. Just imagine a bunch of food up here. Not really much else to say now. Bye bye.